Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox disconnected problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First of all, now long tap your Roblox app and tap on I button and scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back and tap on force stops and okay, scroll up. Now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First camera allow back, second contacts allow back, and microphone allow back, and notifications turn on notifications and back to home screen. Now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. Okay, done. And go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search for Roblox. Now tap on Roblox and now check update your Roblox app. My Roblox app already updated showing. Now tap on update option and waiting a few minutes. Now complete your Roblox app update, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.